Hi, I'm Keith Bledsoe, and I'm the owner here at Smoky Mountain Traders. I personally go out and buy the best cars on the market for you, our customer. Please give us a call with any questions you may have.
Hey everybody, it's Devin with Smoky Mountain Traders. I hope you're having a great day. Today we're going to be taking a close look at this 1989 Chevrolet Blazer. Now if you've got any questions on this truck, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now I'm going to take you around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this truck, and then we'll get it around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom and out on the highway as well. As you look across the front, you can see it's got a new grille installed. Now you can also see that the front bumper and the spoiler has been replaced, and it'll give you your first chance to look down the sides. As we come on around the driver's side, you can see this truck has beautiful body lines that flow here from the front all the way to the rear. You'll also notice that your door gaps are even and symmetrical. But before we go on around the outside, I want you to come on up and we'll look on the interior. On the inside of this truck, it's got the red color scheme, which is a beautiful complement to the exterior. It does have the bucket seats and the console, and as you look across the dash, everything looks original, but it has had the radio upgraded. You can also see that this truck does have four-wheel drive, and as we come on around, you can see that new door panels, new carpet, and a new headliner has been installed. Now that we've been on the inside, we'll continue on around the outside. You'll notice we've already got the top off. It's in great condition along with the glass, but these Blazers are made to have the top off the cruise, so we'll leave it off for right now. You'll notice that the rear bumper has been replaced. You'll also notice here on the tailgate that we've got the factory stainless, and this tailgate does have the power window, which is working. Now as we come on around the passenger side, I'll take a step back so that way you can take a good look at the stance on this Blazer. You'll notice that new side trim has been installed, and you can also see that this black paint job has been buffed and polished to a gorgeous shine. Now for the stance on this truck, it's got a new set of Pro Comp 15-inch wheels with General Grabber tires. Now that we've been around the outside, on the inside, and under the hood of this Blazer, I'll get it around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom. Remember, if you've got any questions, you can give us a call at 865-988-8088, or you can send us an email to sales@smtclassics.com. Now let's get this Blazer around there so that way you can take a close look at the bottom, and then I'll get it out on the highway for you as well. Now that this Chevy is on a rack, we can take a closer look at the bottom of it. As you can see, it has all been cleaned and detailed, and that all the floors along with the frame appear to be in great condition and rock solid. Now this truck does feature four-wheel drive, and as we move under the front, you can see that it has disc brakes here, and that the 5.7 liter is mated to the 700R trans. Now for exhaust, it has manifolds with dual pipes and Flowmaster mufflers. But before we get this Blazer out on the highway, I want us to take another close look at the floors, frame, and rockers to see how great they all appear to be.
Thanks for visiting us at SmokyMountainTraders.com. If you're ever in East Tennessee, stop by and check us out.